somewhere between notifications, deadlines, and endless scrolling. You lost it. Your focus. You used to lock in, read for hours, build things, finish what you started. Now even 10 minutes feels heavy. Your mind drifts before the task even begins. You catch yourself opening your phone without even knowing why you weren't always like this. You were sharp once, curious, present, but the noise got louder, and you started mistaking stimulation for purpose. So give me 6 minutes, and I'll help you fix that. Not just for today, forever. You keep saying, I can't focus. But here's the truth. You don't have a focus problem. You have a stimulation problem. You've trained your brain to live on chaos. Every ping, every reel, every tiny buzz of dopamine. It's all rewiring your attention span to crave the next hit. You've become addicted to noise and silence. Silence now feels uncomfortable, even threatening. It's not ADHD, it's overstimulation. Your brain isn't broken, it's just exhausted. You scroll between apps like a zombie chef flipping TV channels, looking for a flavor that'll finally wake you up. But none of it does. It just numbs you a little more every time. Then you try to sit down to study, to read, to actually think, and your mind starts glitching. It's not because you're lazy, it's because your brain doesn't recognize calm anymore. Stillness feels foreign. Focus feels like withdrawal. So no, focus didn't just disappear. You traded it for constant noise, for fake urgency, for stimulation that burns out faster than it rewards you. You can't expect your mind to go from chaos to concentration without a detox, and that's exactly what we're going to fix, starting right now. The good news? Your brain isn't fixed. It's plastic. It learns whatever you repeat, which means the same way you trained it to crave chaos. You can train it to crave clarity again. This isn't about willpower. It's about rewiring. Here's how. 1. Dopamine detox moments. Give your brain a break from the noise. Just 2 hours a day with no endless input, no scrolling, no background videos, no fake urgency. At first, it'll itch. That's your brain detoxing from constant stimulation. But stay with it. Calm starts to feel natural again. 2 deep work window. Pick one task. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Put your phone in another room, literally. Tell your brain, this is the only world that exists right now. You'll be surprised how focus grows when distraction isn't even an option. 3. Reward system. Don't punish yourself for getting distracted. Reward yourself for getting back on track. Watch something funny. Eat something good. Take a short walk. You're teaching your brain that progress feels better than distraction. Focus isn't discipline, it's environment design. If you make focus easy, your brain will follow. Because your mind always adapts. You just have to show it what to adapt to. Everyone's chasing stimulation. The real ones? They chase stillness. Because when you're bored, your brain isn't broken. It's repairing itself. That foggy feeling when you unplug, that's your neurons learning how to breathe again. That's not laziness. That's recovery. We've been taught that silence means doing nothing. But silence is actually where everything begins: your best ideas, your focus, your sense of peace. The paradox is real. The more you slow down, the faster your life starts moving again. You start noticing details again. You stop chasing the next thing. You start feeling present instead of performing productive. So here's a challenge. Can you sit in silence for just 10 minutes without reaching for your phone? No music, no noise, just you, breathing. That's where your focus has been hiding all along. Not in another video, not in a planner. In that quiet space that you've been avoiding. Focus isn't something you're born with. It's a skill. And like any skill, you rebuild it one rep at a time. Every time you resist checking your phone, that's one push-up for your attention span. Every time you finish a small task without switching tabs, that's one more rep toward control. You don't fix focus in a day. You train it daily until it becomes who you are again. Your mind will fight back at first. It'll tell you you're bored or tired or not in the mood. But every time you stay, even for 5 more minutes, you're rewiring your brain to stay longer next time, and that's how it happens. Not through motivation, through small, consistent resistance. The world's loud, but you don't have to be. You can be calm, you can be sharp, you can be locked in. Maybe the world's too loud to ever be silent again, but your mind doesn't have to be. You don't need a perfect morning routine. You don't need another self-help book. You just need to decide that your attention is worth protecting again. Because once you do, everything changes. Work feels lighter. Time feels slower. You start to feel yourself think again. You can fix your focus. You just have to decide it matters again. So, are you going to scroll to the next video? Or are you finally going to lock in? If this video helped you feel even 1% clearer, imagine what the next one will do. Hit subscribe. Let's fix your mind, one video at a time.